Hi guys, welcome back Tech Channel. Number 1. The Nextbase IQ Smart 4G Dashcam is a cutting-edge device designed to enhance driving safety and convenience. Key features include 1. 4G connectivity. With built-in 4G, this dashcam allows for real-time video streaming and notifications directly to your smartphone, making it easy to monitor incidents as they happen. 2. High-quality video. It captures footage in impressive 1440p HD resolution, ensuring clear and detailed recordings of your journeys, day or night. 3. AI features. The dashcam utilizes artificial intelligence to detect incidents, automatically saving footage of collisions and providing smart alerts for potential dangers. The Nextbase IQ Smart 4G Dashcam is an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their driving experience with safety, connectivity, and advanced features. Number 2. The Ring Car Cam is a state-of-the-art vehicle security camera designed to enhance your driving experience. Featuring dual-facing HD cameras, it captures clear footage of both the road ahead and the interior of your car. Real-time monitoring allows you to keep an eye on your vehicle from anywhere, while advanced motion detection sends alerts to your smartphone. With two-way audio, you can communicate through the camera, adding an extra layer of security. The sleek, unobtrusive design fits seamlessly into your vehicle's interior. Easy installation ensures you're protected in no time. Number 3. The Escort MAXcam 360C is a high-performance device that combines a laser radar detector with a dash camera for comprehensive vehicle protection. This dual-function device features advanced radar and laser detection capabilities, offering 360-degree coverage to alert you to speed traps, red light cameras, and other hazards on the road. The built-in dash camera captures crisp 1080p video, ensuring that every journey is recorded in detail. With features like GPS location tagging and automatic incident detection, the MAXcam 360C provides not only alerts, but also valuable evidence in case of accidents. Its user-friendly interface, customizable settings, whether you're commuting or embarking on a road trip, the Escort MAXcam 360C delivers peace of mind with its powerful detection capabilities and high-quality video recording. Number 4. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a sleek, compact camera that records crisp 1080p video, ensuring clear footage of your journeys. Its discreet design allows for easy installation without obstructing your view. With voice control, you can start or stop recording hands-free, enhancing convenience while driving. The Dashcam features automatic incident detection, automatically saving footage of collisions. Integrated GPS tags your location, while built-in Wi-Fi enables quick access to videos via the Garmin Drive app. Its wide field of view captures more of the road ahead. Drive with confidence knowing your adventures are documented. Number 5. The Cobra SC 400D Ultra HD 4K dash camera is a powerful device designed to provide high-resolution recording for ultimate peace of mind on the road. With its stunning 4K video quality, it captures every detail of your journeys, ensuring clear and comprehensive footage of your surroundings. The camera features a wide-angle lens that provides a broad field of view, minimizing blind spots and enhancing safety. Equipped with advanced G-sensor technology, the SC400D automatically detects sudden impacts and saves the footage, preserving crucial evidence in the event of an accident. Compact and stylish, the Cobra SC 400D seamlessly integrates into your vehicle, making it an essential tool for any driver looking to enhance their safety and security on the road.